After being in business for 22 years, literally doing tens of thousands of kitchens, we get a lot of repeats. We've done customers' kitchens over that we did 12, 13 years ago, and they're coming back and expecting the same quality, same service, and same design expertise that they've gotten in the past, and what they're finding is it's even better. One of my passions in this business is I've been able to grow the company. We've got 2 fantastic showrooms. We have a great warehousing facility. We've got our trucking facilities. We've got our accounting. We've got our designers. So the business has grown a lot. But what I really like to do is I like to be hands-on. I'm still involved in this every day. I'm talking with the designers, meeting with the people, and making sure that not only are we doing the designs, but they're the best designs. We're able to bring in the best designers, the best installers, couple that with what we think are the best products, add the technology into it, and we're able to deliver a really high-end product for a very competitive price.